back to my channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do is solve technical drawing problems, and I provide very important information that can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examination. If you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and make sure you practice this subject because it's a practical subject. Now, I want to solve this question, which is question 3B of 2023 technical drawing paper 2 of WAEC or West African Examination Council exam. Okay, so now as we have it, the sketch in figure 4 shows 2 points T and S drawn above line XY, and question Roman figure 1 says that construct a circle to touch line XY and pass through point T and S, and Roman figure 2 says that measure and state the radius of the circle. So that's what we have to do, and this line, we have point T on it, and distance of this point from the base and from this XY line is 70 millimeters as we have here, and for point S, so the distance of this point from XY line is 40 millimeters, and distance between this line and this line is 30 millimeters. So what we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So here I will draw a horizontal line that is going to be our XY line. So this is X and this is Y. So I'm going to fix a point here. So this is just fix a point here. Okay, then 30 millimeters away I have this. So I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So here I will draw a vertical line like this at this point. I'm coming here, I will also draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters above this line. So this is 30. So this is point S here. And then I will take 70 millimeters above this line. So this is point T. So here we have point T here. Okay, so I'm going to call this point here, I will call it point R. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will join RS together like this. RS together, and I will join ST together to form a triangle. This is it, and then I will connect this together like this. Alright, so we have this triangle RST. So what they want us to do is to construct a circle that will touch this line XY and also pass through point S and point T. And that circle, as I look at it, will be a circumscribed circle. Now, to construct a circumscribed circle, we need to bisect any two sides of the triangle. So what I'm going to do here, I will bisect side, let me bisect side RS, So you can choose any two sides that you want to bisect to yourself. Okay, so putting it here. Okay, I need to bring it back to this point to make sure the arcs intersect. Alright, so we have that. Then I will bisect side ST. So you have to make sure you can see those points of intersection of the arcs. Alright, so I'm going to connect this point and this point together. So I'll connect this together like this. Okay, then I will connect this point and this point together. So This is it. So where the arcs intersect. Alright, so the bisectors, they intersect at this point here. So I'll call this point, I'll call it point O. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put the midpoint on my compass at this point O here, where the bisectors intersect. And I will extend my compass, the pencil point on my compass, I will extend it to this point R here. So it touches point S and it touches point R. So I can go on and draw now. So this is it. Alright, so that is it. So we have the circle. So as we have here, the circle pass through point T and point S, and also it touches the XY line. So then the next thing that we're asked to do is to measure the radius of the circle. So if I want to measure the radius for the circle, so if this is point O, so I'll call this point P here. So I'll just take a measurement of OP, measurement of OP. So OP, as we have here, is this is 36, so 36 millimeters. So I just write radius OP, so is equal to 36, so plus or minus 1. So that is the radius of the circle. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.